Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Health and Tips. If you're looking for simple, effective ways to level up your health, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 10 easy life hacks that will help you live healthier, feel better, and boost your energy every single day. Let's jump right in. Start your day with warm lemon water first up. This is one of my favorites. Swap out your morning coffee, at least once a week, for warm lemon water. It helps with digestion, boosts your immune system, and gets you hydrated first thing in the morning. Simple but powerful, 10-minute morning stretch feeling stiff when you wake up. Instead of reaching for your phone, spend 10 minutes stretching. It improves blood circulation, flexibility, and helps wake you up naturally. Plus, it sets a positive tone for the day. Prep your veggies for the week. Next, if you're short on time during the week, meal prep is your best friend. But here's a quick tip. Just prep your veggies ahead of time. Wash, chop, and store them, so when you're ready to cook, it's as easy as grabbing and going. Power nap for 20 minutes. Here's a hack not enough people talk about: power naps. A 20-minute nap can help you recharge and boost your focus. Just set a timer and avoid napping for too long, so you don't feel groggy. Add chia seeds to your diet. Superfood alert. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Toss them into your smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal for an easy nutritional boost. They're tiny, but trust me, they pack a punch. Practice box breathing for stress relief. Feeling stressed? Here's a super simple breathing technique called box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and hold again. Repeat it for a few minutes to calm your mind instantly. Drink water before every meal. One of the easiest ways to stay hydrated and control portion sizes is by drinking a glass of water before each meal. It's great for digestion and can help you feel full faster, perfect if you are trying to avoid overeating. Get 10,000 steps a day. Let's talk movement. Aim for 10,000 steps a day. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective ways to improve cardiovascular health and burn calories. Don't have time? Break it into smaller chunks throughout your day. Every step counts. Replace sugary snacks with fruit. Got a sweet tooth? Instead of reaching for candy or cookies, try swapping them with fruit. Berries, apples, and oranges are naturally sweet and packed with vitamins. This small change can make a big difference. Get quality sleep with a wind-down routine. Finally, sleep is key to overall health. Create a wind-down routine before bed. Dim the lights, turn off electronics, and relax with a good book or calming music. This will signal your body that it's time to sleep and improve your sleep quality. That's it for today's video. These hacks are simple, but they can make a huge difference in your daily life. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Stay healthy.